In the bustling town of Harmonville lived a young and sharp-minded woman named Stella. Stella was known for her keen instincts and her ability to read situations quickly, much admired by her friends and colleagues at the local community center where she worked. However, these attributes had also fostered a tendency in her to make swift assumptions about others. One morning, as Stella was setting up for an event at the community center, she noticed a new volunteer, James. James was tall, with a scruffy beard and clothes that seemed a bit too casual for the setup they were working on. Stella immediately thought of James as disorganized and possibly unreliable. She decided to keep an eye on him, sure that he would mess something up. During the event planning, Stella directed James towards menial tasks, such as carrying chairs and sweeping, assuming he wouldn't be capable of handling more intricate responsibilities. James complied without complaint, but Stella's dismissive attitude was not lost on him. Days passed and the event drew nearer. One afternoon, a major crisis surfaced. The event's keynote speaker had to cancel last minute. Panic spread through the team. Without much thought, Stella assumed the burden of finding a replacement. As she frantically dialed numbers and sent out emails, James approached her. "I might know someone who can help," he offered. Skeptical but desperate, Stella allowed him to make a call. Within minutes, James had arranged for a well-known local author to take the keynote spot. The entire team was relieved and grateful, but none more than Stella, who realized her error in judgment. After the event, Stella approached James. "I'm sorry," she started. "I assumed you couldn't handle more because of how you looked when you first arrived. I was wrong." James gave her a reassuring smile. "It's okay," he said. "It's easy to make assumptions, but they can prevent us from seeing the best in people." From that day forward, Stella made a conscious effort to check her assumptions at the door and to get to know the people around her better. Her relationships flourished, not just at the community center but in all aspects of her life. The experience with James had been a humbling lesson. The danger of assumption could lead to misunderstandings and missed opportunities. Stella learned that taking the time to understand people's true capabilities and potential brought a richness to her life that she had previously overlooked.